Hello, hello. You must be thinking what I'm doing, what kind of drama it is. Actually, I'm just gonna show you how I create this look without using any of the heating product. So before any further delay, let's begin. First thing first, after I shampoo my hair, I going to apply hair serum that I usually use from Chi and aloe vera gel, a little bit of aloe vera gel as well. Mix both in your palm very well and then apply it starting from the bottom. So that's the tip. Whenever you are using any of the hair product, always start from the bottom. Don't go all the way to scalp directly. Anyway, I'm gonna start here using my finger doing a zigzag partition. Sorry. And after that I'm start doing braid. So I have two equal partition, and after that I did the zigzag part in my hair using my finger, and now doing the braid starting all the way from the top, as you can see on the camera. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Hetalbeutysstudio and this is my awesome beauty channel. It's Hetalbeutysstudio. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and of course share with your friends also to join my channel. When you are do something without using any heating product and still give you amazing look, who don't want that, right? Of course, I mean, I always look for the things that as much as heating product I can use. So I'm continuously doing the braid, as you can see, and I did it in a slow motion so you can exactly see it how I did it. After I'm done with my one side, I'm gonna start and follow the same thing on my other side as well. Don't miss my smile there. Just kidding. Okay, and once I'm done, and here I'm coughing a little bit. I had a little cough, so just ignore that. I'm sure you cannot able to hear it, but it's okay. I don't want to miss any of my fun things to my friends, so I keep everything. I don't do much deleting portion. So sometimes naturally it's more fun than more editing part. What do you think? Anyways, I'm gonna start doing the second side, and here I'm done with my both braid. Looks like I'm going back to school, huh? Remember that when we are in school we have to do that two braid like that, and oh my god, I hate that on that time, and nowadays we actually love it. Anyways, I'm going to sleep and catch you tomorrow. And here it is a short time now. Let's open the bread. I was so excited at that time, and let's see. You can tell, right? I am having so much fun over here. And look at that. Whoa, wow. See, without using any heating product, and plus not even that many hair product either. It's just the two simple hair product. The hair feels so smooth, so comfy, and oh my god, the love about this, the look, oh, killing me. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts and try it out and let me know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye. See ya. Enjoy your rest of the day. Goodbye and see you soon. Bye.